Connecting two tubes using face seal end connectors will require 5 components: 2 glands, a retained gasket, a male nut, and a female nut. Both female and male nuts are available as fixed or swivel, and as long as at least one of them is a swivel nut, it will ensure a clean and tight seal. We are also going to need 2 wrenches, size 24 and size 27. After removing the protective caps, simply press the gasket onto one of the glands. The gasket can be used without the retainer as well. Secure the female nut over the male nut and finger tighten them together. While holding the male nut firmly with one wrench, use another wrench to tighten the female nut. 1/8 of a turn. This is how a face seal configuration is performed with only 4 or 5 components and 2 tools. The assembly instructions are identical to all sizes. At least one of the parts must be a swivel part with a male to female connection.